Hi friends, this is Sindhu Prem from In Bliss. And in today's environment and this lockdown, kind of our energies are restricted right now. We are not totally free to go out, to share, to express ourselves. So, in this moment, I want to offer you and invite you to a very good meditation that Osho created. It's in fact a meditative therapy called OSHO No-Mind, and we are offering it on Zoom from 24th every evening 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 8 p.m. So, no mind is a meditative therapy, which means it's a meditation. Moment to moment, you are with your own energy, you are encountering yourself, and it acts as a therapy, which means it frees up all the stuck up energy in your body and mind. It renews your vitality, you get so much more energy, and it creates a space for silence to happen, for meditation to be easier. There are so many thoughts all the time running in our mind like a traffic, non-stop traffic of the thoughts, which either take us to the past or we are always planning or worrying about the future, but never living in the present moment. So this meditation can actually give you all the freedom to unburden your mind, to clean the mind, to say whatever you wanted to say, but not in words. The vehicle that we use for Osho No Mind is gibberish. And Osho says gibberish is the most scientific way to clean your mind, to clean that mirror, that to clean that dust which is lying on the mirror of your consciousness. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us in Osho No Mind. Bye.